Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lily. I am so happy that you are here with me today. In today's video, I am going to open a Happy Mail package that I just received. I actually received it over a week ago, but I haven't gotten around to it because I wanted to record a video so I can show you the content so we can see it together. You guys ready to get started? Let's go.
Do you want to know what the definition of Happy Mail is? It is absolute joy and warm fuzzies in your heart. That is exactly how I felt, or how I feel when I receive a Happy Mail package. Yvette Christine is a best friend of mine from high school. We go back to the 80s. And she reached out to me and asked if she can send me a Happy Mail package. And I said, yes, of course. Yvette has been crafting for a while, and she actually has a YouTube channel that she started a little over a month ago, and she's also on Instagram. And I am going to link her YouTube channel and her Instagram information down below. She does amazing work. And Yvette, thank you so much. I love you, my friend, and I miss you. Look at these cute little sunflower rings. Are you kidding me? They are so stinking cute. Once I opened this package, I actually wore one of the rings all day long. It is so stinking cute, and I left it there on my pinky. So what a nice little treat in addition to this package. It is beautifully wrapped. I mean, I was in awe. I was just speechless. And she is working on a bee-themed journal, and so she has a lot of this beautiful ephemera that she has been creating. And as you know, I also just recently created a couple of bee-themed journals. And I think it's amazing how her creations are so different and so beautiful in comparison to the ones that I made. And by that, I mean, we're all inspired by one another, but our projects are unique to us and they're beautiful to each and every one of us. And her work is amazing. And the things that she created, so different from anything that I would have created. And I love everything that is in this package. And oh, I was just blown away, you guys, just blown away by all of the detail in her work. She's really cool about sharing on Instagram, and she's really active on Instagram. What I love about Yvette is that she will do 15-minute crafting sessions every single day, and then she speeds it up and shares the videos on her Instagram. And so if you don't have a lot of time, all it takes is 15 minutes, and you do as much as you can every single day. And it's just going to make you so happy to be able to work with your projects. And so I love that about her. I love that she carves out a little bit of time every single day to create beautiful, beautiful things. These are the best altered playing cards that I've ever seen in my life. I don't alter my playing cards. I just never have. I wouldn't even know where to start. I think I tried once a long time ago and didn't even finish making them. But these altered cards are so stinking cute. Thank you. And then she made these cute little cards. I love that she used packaging. She repurposed, recycled food packaging to create a collage board or a master board. And then she cut them down and made these beautiful bee-themed tags. They feel so good and nice and sturdy. So cereal box and food packaging and other types of packaging are a great substrate for you to be able to create on. And you know, I'm all about the junky junk and repurposing things to make new things, make pretty things, give things a second chance. And I absolutely love that. And so that has my heart. And then some cute little bees. She is tempting me to create even more bee journals. I've only ever done 2. And those 2 I actually put up on my Etsy shop, and they sold immediately. They were so beautiful. So maybe I will work on more in the future. But these items are going into my own personal junk journal. They're so cute. And I want to say a lot of the items that I received, especially items that you have handmade and sent me, those items I set aside and I put in my own personal junk journals just to remember your kindness and your generosity and the time that it took you to create these beautiful things. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is so special, and it really does warm my heart, and it brings me so much joy to open up a package with your handmade items. And look at this beautiful tag, that little bee, the floral. And then Yvette, I don't know if you used a beehive stamp or an embossing folder to create that design, but I love it. And then on these tags, how clever is that? She made a pocket with the tag. And then on the back, there's some stenciling and some collaging, and then that beautiful beehive hexagon paper with that gold foil at the bottom. You know how I feel about gold foil. I love all things gold and glittery and shining. So cute. That little tag has teeny tiny little bees on it. Oh, so cute. I love these. Look at the back. I love all of the layering, the stenciling, the stamping. So much detail into these tag pockets. I love these. And look at, I have never seen such beautiful napkins. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Look at those bees. And it's on all sides. Oh, these are amazing. When I do those hand gestures, it just means that my mind is blown. Thank you for sharing the napkins with me. This is going to be fun to work with. Yvette, I think you're awesome, and I wish you all of the success on your new YouTube channel and also on your Instagram. I think you are absolutely amazing. And quick story, Yvette is the one who actually inspired me to start scrapbooking. I visited her back in the day to her house, and we looked through her scrapbook, and that's where my passion for scrapbooking started, and that was around 1985, 1986. So thank you, Ibette, for inspiring me and helping me with my scrapbooking journey and also my paper crafting journey. I owe that to you. So thank you so much. I love you, my friend. I miss you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful little unboxing of Happy Mail. Thank you so much. And I'm going to turn the camera over and say goodbye. So don't leave just yet.
You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today as I open my dear friend Yvette's Happy Mail. That made me extra happy. Yvette, thank you so much. Sending you a great big hug. I miss you, and I wish we lived next door. I know. I loved everything, all of the contents in there, but this ring right here, it is my favorite, and I'm not going to take it off. In fact, I'm going to wear it all day today, and I'll probably wear it every day throughout the fall season. So, oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for hanging out with me today. You guys take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.